I pledge to be a positive person and positive influence on my family, friends, coworkers, and community. I promise to be positively contagious and share more smiles, laughter, encouragement, and joy with those around me. I vow to stay positive in the face of negativity. When I'm surrounded by pessimism, I will choose optimism. When I feel fear, I will choose faith. When I want to hate, I will choose love. When I want to be bitter, I will choose to get better. When I experience a challenge, I will look for the opportunity to learn and grow. When faced with adversity, I will find strength. When I experience a setback, I will be resilient. When I meet failure, I will fail forward towards a future success. And with vision, hope, and faith, I will never give up and will always move forward towards my destiny. I believe that my best days are ahead of me, not behind me. I believe I'm here for a reason, and my purpose is greater than my challenges. I believe that being positive not only makes me better, it makes everyone around me better. So today and every day, I will be positive and strive to make a positive impact on the world.